What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a post on LinkedIn. So how do you do that? All you have to do is just simply click the plus on the bottom of your screen where you have post, and from here you can put whatever you want. So I'm going to just put the word test as an example, and let's say I want to go ahead and add a picture or video, whichever it is. If it's a picture, on the lower right hand side of your screen you can click the picture icon and you can choose picture from your phone and whatever, right? You can also go ahead and click the plus on the lower right hand side, and from here you can add the media just the same. You can add videos, pictures, you can do it through events, you can add documents, you can put some service there, jobs, polls, all of those good stuff there, right? So let's go ahead and just choose a media, and this time I'm gonna just choose just a video, right? So let's go ahead and choose a video here. So I'm gonna tap on this video here and click on done, right? Now as you can see, if you're scrolling through LinkedIn, as you can see, the video is added there. Now, as I said, that can be a picture as well, so it's really up to you what you want to add. Now, don't click end post. If you look beside the post button on the upper right hand side, you will see a little clock. That's for scheduling. And from here, you can easily go ahead and choose the time and date that you wish. So let's say I want to change this for tomorrow, click on OK. And let's say I want to change the time. I'm going to put it to maybe, let's say 9, right? And let's say I wanted to do at 9 p.m. and not 9 a.m. I can switch between the time there at the upper right hand side, just where the time is, right? So 9 p.m. Click on OK from there, and all I have to do is click on next. Now, as you can see, the scheduling time is at the top there, and all I have to do now is just simply go ahead and click and schedule. And that's it. It's going to upload the video, but it's going to also schedule this post for me. And that's all there is to it. I just need to be patient and wait for it to complete. And as you can see, it's processing, it's almost ready, and my post will be scheduled. And that's all there is to it, guys. It's very easy and very simple.